We have to leave now because a dugite snake is too much. And then a cicada jumped on Harriet. She's losing her freaking mind right now.
I'm losing my shit.
I haven't seen you jump like that in for ages, Harriet. Come on.
I can't help it.
Anyway, all right. We nearly made it to the beach. We have to wait till next time. See ya.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So what our competitors told us, it's been washed down there, so we don't really want to go there. Well, there's no place to drive on, and the sand's pretty soft here. We're digging in, but it's okay. Whatever. We've had a little beach drive.
I guess we'll set up camp here and hang out for a little bit, eh?
Yeah. Denmark is where Brookie grew up. She spent so much time here. She can't even talk right now because she's had a jaw reconstruction.
A couple of the girls got a little bit crook, had some procedures, and they've been recovering together. But after a couple of weeks at home, they decided the cabin fever was too much, and they dragged us down to the beautiful south coast. So we're not complaining.
It's been a week now, she can't really talk, but she's grown up here, and I've always come down here as well. It's so pretty, and this is the Greens Pool side.
Stevo is somewhere over here. I haven't actually seen him yet. Me and Hayes are just chilling out.
So we've had a swim down Elephant Rocks. We're just on our way down to Greens Pool. So we're gonna go this way, so I'll just show you guys. It's actually beautiful. All the rock stops the waves from coming in and gives you that beautiful, peaceful lagoon to swim in.
Wow, we've just been walking along. We've just come across a bit of Australian fauna, and these are not that safe, to be honest. The old dugite snakes that cause a bit of damage. In fact, if you get bitten by one out here, you're probably not going to make it. So let's have a look. Dugite, oh, nice and brown. You can see it spread itself out. It wants to trying to grab some of the sunshine to warm up. That's actually a pretty big one as well. It's a good mature size. Holy shit. Maybe I should throw a stick at it, H.
Babe, I want to go back now.
Oh, you don't like snakes?
Nope.
Come touch it.
No.
This is the dugite. These fellas.
There's something on me, there's something on me.
We have to leave now because a dugite snake is too much. And then a cicada jumped on Harriet. She's losing her freaking mind right now.
I'm losing my shit.
I haven't seen you jump like that in for ages, Harriet. Come on.
I can't help it.
Anyway, all right. We nearly made it to the beach. We have to wait till next time. See ya.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
There's a big smile. What happened there? Sand's not too bad right now, it's actually pretty hard. Stevo's trying to throw me off, I think.